I have a really serious question I thought about as I was cleaning all the poop off your car.
Okay.
What do birds eat to make them poop that much?
I don't know.
There was so much poop on your car, that's like 10 days worth of human bung. That's all.
A lot of people are replying to my story on my Instagram about the poop, and they said it's a lot of Taco Bell.
Alright, so here's the plan.
Okay.
Evo 9's being sold today. He's gonna be here at 2 o'clock.
Okay.
We have to be at the frame shop by 10 a.m.
Okay.
So we're driving your car. We're gonna get the truck. We're gonna put the trailer on the truck. We're gonna drive back to Spokane. We're gonna go to the frame shop. We're gonna assemble the car.
Okay.
We're gonna help him assemble. And then we just gotta go sell the Evo 9 somehow. We gotta pick him up from the airport. Deal?
Deal.
Too early for this?
I just need a coffee.
Yeah, guys, today is the day the STI comes home. It was painted yesterday or last night, so the paint should be cured, ready to go. We are gonna, like I said, head up north with Bobby's car, leave Bobby's car there. The Evo 9's here, and sometime today we have to, hopefully, when we're done with picking up the STI, it'll be time to go drop off the Evo 9. He's gonna take it all the way back to Illinois. We're gonna head back up to the shop and do some STI things.
You excited?
Mm-hmm.
Why are you excited for my car?
So we just got to the frame shop and we are bringing this fender that we're going to be using, make sure everything lines up properly, and then we're going to load up the car on the trailer and go home.
So hyped. I'm just really chilly.
Hello, hello.
Ooh, she's looking good.
So excited to get this car back home.
I know.
Get it in the shop, throw the motor tranny in, throw the STI wheels back on maybe.
Yeah.
Evo wheels are a bit bunk.
Wow.
See? Perfect.
It's a car.
Yeah, that looks really good. All those gaps are perfect.
Fairly easy, yeah.
Happy?
I'm so happy.
Get her home.
Yeah, gotta get Gary home.
Gary, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
we got the car loaded up on the trailer. We made it back to the apartment. What we have to do right now is very sad. Are you sad? Why?
I don't have an emotional attachment like you.
We are gonna go deliver the Evo 9 right now and then come back to the apartment, bring the car, bring the STI up to the shop. And are we gonna work on it today or not? Maybe, depends what time. All right, so we are back home now. We got the STI. We gotta unload this STI. And I think the first thing that Bobby and I have decided on doing today is something really, really simple because we have a lot of other stuff to get done. So we're gonna pull the car off the trailer. We're gonna jack it up. We're gonna put the new STI wheels on it, back on it, and see how good they look. It's gonna be a long process. We have so much work to do. Motor install, training install, full interior with all the new airbags, paint work, reassemble the whole front end, figure out what like headlights we're using, how to wire the fog lights. Are we using these stupid headlight sprayers?
No, I don't know yet.
If we are, we got to figure out how to wire those. But first things first, guys, let's just get it unloaded, and I'll kind of go over like all the framework with you, show you some good in-depth stuff because it's pretty sick how good it turned out. Damn, it feels good to have this car back in the shop. Should we pop the hood and show them the goods? So the paint on everything isn't an exact match. There's too much gloss in it. But Bobby and I both agreed that it's not a super big deal because so much of it is going to be covered up anyway. It was fixed somewhere in here. I have no clue where because I can't tell. But somewhere in here it was cut and welded and filled and you're sprayed. But as you can see, the gloss right there on that frame rail is a little bit more, or quite a bit more glossy than like the firewall. But you don't care, do you?
I like it.
Honey, I understand that you like it, but it's not mint.
Oh.
The main thing I'm worried about is like everything lining up. And as you guys can see, they did an absolutely amazing job with how everything lines up. It was honestly the framework or like the repair they did wasn't anything insane. Like they've repaired a lot worse, they were saying. Obviously they were swapping a whole like frame on the truck.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's all good to go. So what's the game plan? Let's kind of run through real quick. Game plan for this car as of right now, like to get this thing up and running, is, let's see, today we're gonna do wheels. Tomorrow we'll probably do like all the airbags. The whole interior is completely torn apart right now. So get all that situated, and then after that it's motor training, go back in the car, get the whole thing together, and then from there it's gonna go to the paint shop. So let's get these wheels on, get these Mitsubishi wheels off here, get some OEM Subaru wheels on here, and see how good she looks. Are you glad we did this instead of gray?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Should we do the calipers a different color?
I don't know yet. Maybe they should drop a comment down below.
Yeah, drop a comment down below, guys. The silver's alright. It's not bad.
That's a silver.
But would a different color look better? It's hard with this car because it's such a like unique color, you know? Like that yellow is dope, but I don't know if the yellow would look good on
I
here.
still even think red would look good. It would match the like STI emblem on the back.
That would be unique.
Yeah.
Red? What about like black would just be meh. That's not cool. Alright, let's get the other two wheels on. Drop a comment below, guys. Should we leave them silver? Should we do black? We're not doing black.
Red.
Should we it's either to leave them like that or do red.
What do you guys think? Red would really pop.
I don't know, babe. You know, should we do blue? No.
No.
Pink?
No.
Red? No.
Maybe.
Yellow? Green? Green.
Ew.
Brown? Also, guys, one more thing that they fixed is, remember how this corner was sitting lower, right? We pulled off the strut. The strut wasn't bent. It went to the frame shop. This corner was sitting 1.5 inches lower. I just measured it right now. It's literally within like 1 millimeter.
So we're good.
So we're good. I don't know what was bent. They didn't say, but whatever it was, it's fixed. I ain't tripping.
Oh.
I think my suspension's loose.
It didn't even look like it.
There's no
You
weight.
lowered it.
Yeah, there's no weight on the front.
This side's way better to look at though, because the fender is like the same color.
Oh my gosh, this car's gonna look so sick. Imagine with the black roof, right?
Mm-hmm.
Black roof, new windshield, 70% tint, legal only. We only run legal around here, boys. Slightly tinted windshield. Maybe trim coat this black piece.
Hey baby, how about a motor? Is that kind of mean to say? I think you're getting a little too carried away. No
Maybe
comment.
black out the headlights. Well, let's put the bumper on real quick.
I feel. Whoa.
I can respect the hustle. I feel like it needs a wide body kit. Do you think it needs a wide body kit?
No. Don't touch her.
Is that it for today?
Say goodbye.
Oh, we're done for the day?
Yeah.
You want to put your motor in today? You don't want to?
No, baby.
Why?
I gotta go potty.
Bobby has to go potty, so that means we have to end out the video here, guys. Really hope you enjoyed it. I know we didn't get shit done today, but
We got
hey,
the car back,
we got
babe.
the car back. That's the biggest thing. From here on out, it's just bam, bam, bam. Bust out a few videos, install a few parts like a motor and tranny, and this thing will be back on the road. Within a week, we'll be driving this car, guaranteed. Mark my
Yay.
words. Peace.